Hello and welcome to this tutorial on saving search results in a ProQuest database. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to create a free ProQuest account to save your work in any ProQuest database and how to use that account to save search results so you can access them later. We've all been there. You finally managed to get a good search query on a database, and you've got a manageable set of search results to look at. A quick glance at some of the titles looks promising, and then the power goes out, or the internet goes down, or some similar sort of disaster occurs, and your search results are kaput. Now you're going to have to start all over again. However, there are ways to avoid this frustrating fate. Most databases include ways to save selected search results to review later on. This involves creating a free account for the database and saving your search results. Now, not all databases are made by the same vendor, so this tutorial is going to cover how to create an account in a ProQuest database. To save your work in an EBSCO database, our other major database provider, please see our tutorial titled Saving Search Results in an EBSCO Database. So to start out with, which databases are ProQuest databases? Well, there are a lot of them, but here are some of the more heavily used ones. ABI Inform, Agricola, Dissertations and Theses Global, eBook Central, Global Newsstream, the Los Angeles Times databases, the New York Times database, and Sociological Abstracts. In any one of these databases, you will see a menu bar across the screen at the top of the page. One of the options on that bar is the Sign In button, also marked My Research and Language Selection. From the drop-down menu that appears when you click that icon, click on the Create My Research Account option. When you do this, you will need to input your email address and password, indicate that you are over 13 years of age, and consent to having your data collected, because yes, they do that, and then click on the Create Account button. Once you've created your account and signed in, click on the Advanced Search page in whichever database you're in, and you can begin searching. In this case, we're going to run a search for Arabian horses and breeding. Now, next to each of the search results is a checkbox. If you check off those checkboxes, the results next to them turn blue. Next, you click on the Save to My Research button here, and click on the Save button in the pop-up window that appears. To access your saved documents, click on the My Research button on the top menu, and then select the Saved Documents option. This will take you into your Saved Documents folder, where you can create folders to store specific projects using the New Folder link. You can move saved documents into that folder using the Add to Folder option in the menu above your results. You can also create citations in a variety of styles from your selected results, email a list of citations and attached articles to yourself or others, or print or save your results. Saving results in your ProQuest account allows you to be able to access these results anywhere, in the library, your classroom, or at home. You won't have to worry about losing your search results ever again. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have questions about saving your results in any of our databases, please contact us. You can get research assistance by clicking on the 24/7 chat widget on the library homepage, or email us at researchhelp, one word, @cpp.edu.